Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. And today I have for you guys the Essie Fall 2023 collection. I bought this myself to review for you guys, and we're gonna be doing some comparisons after I finish doing quick swatches here for you guys. So let's take a look at these colors. All right, first up we have Dance Till Dawn, and I'm going to be putting Essie's descriptions of these colors under the name here on the corner because they do a really good job at describing their polishes. Pretty good first coat. It's a very white base color and still was pretty good. Not too chalky, not too streaky. It will be a two-coater, but it's good formula so far. And then the next one is Lights Down, Music Up. And this is fabulous. Oh my god, that color in the bottle, so good. Feels to me like a brown with purple undertones with a touch of gray, or maybe, well, yeah, I would say that. No, maybe. Like a brown with purple undertones. Maybe mauve. I don't know how to describe it. Near one coat wonder for me, but no, it's gonna need two. Still very good. And then up next we have Full Blast, and this one has a more corelli-like formula. Like you can tell there's squishiness in this formula, some translucency going on. Still gonna be opaque in two coats, I think, but it's not like this one where you can see that it's like fully opaque and white based. This one's more corelli. All right, let's do second coats very quickly here. This one is absolutely just two coats and perfect. This one's gonna be the same because obviously even the first coat was already almost perfect, but there you have it. And then this one, which is the more corelli one, is the one that I'm more intrigued by. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be good. It's beautiful. It looks very like folly and gorgeous, and oof, yeah, totally opaque at two coats. All right, up next we have Underground Ball, and this purple to me is so elegant and like classy in a way, because usually these purples feel very like bright and like in your face, but this one, it's actually badass. You guys are gonna see it. I have a little clip of all these colors, how they change from different lighting, and once this gets off of this direct bright light that I have, oh my god, it is fabulous. And it also has the same formula as the red with the little squishy curly thing going on. Okay, next up we have Step Out of Line. This one feels so inky, and whoa, perfect. This is a one coat wonder for me. It is fully opaque. It doesn't have the corelli sort of finish. It's more like the brown one. Oops, let me rest my hand. I'm trying to like clean up here, and I don't know why, because I'm not taking any pictures of these nails, but I don't know. So it looks nice. All right, next up we have Meet Me at Midnight, and this one is the olive green in the collection. It does feel like it has some yellow undertones in there, and it is fully opaque like the blue and the brown. So I'm gonna do second coats. Let me see. Well, first, obviously, because it's the first one, but also is the one that I feel like requires it. I don't feel like the blue or green require it at all, so I'm not gonna do it. Nothing's gonna change. The color is perfect as is. All right, so now that we have seen all of them, if I have to pick favorites, I would say these are my top 3, and these are like my top 3 like on the second floor. These are all fantastic. These are all wearable. I think Essie did a fantastic job. All the creams have gorgeous formulas. I think the palette is beautiful and they're so wearable. Every single thing here is something I will wear. You guys know I'm a huge fan of cream colors for fall. So when you give me a fall collection that has 6 creams or however many, and they're mostly creams or all creams, that's gonna be a yes for me. Of course, assuming the formula is good and the colors are nice, which is the case here. So thank you so much for coming to my review, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.